Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Walmart account password, full guide step by step clearly. To begin resetting your Walmart account password, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Walmart website by typing walmart.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the account icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on the account icon to reveal the drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select the option that says Sign In. On the Sign In page, look for the link that says Forgot Your Password. You will now be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Walmart account. Type your email address into the designated field and click on the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Walmart. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and look for the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will take you to a new page where you can enter a new password. Create a strong password that meets Walmart's security requirements. Re-enter your new password in the confirmation field to ensure it matches. After entering the new password, click on the Submit button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the Walmart sign-in page. Enter your email address and your new password in the required fields. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. You have successfully reset your Walmart account password. Always remember to keep your password secure and change it regularly. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Walmart customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.